Good morning. Mrs. Thompson here. Welcome back from winter break. I hope you all had a nice and relaxing break and are ready to start our second semester of second grade. All right, here we go, jumping right into it. So, a couple things came up from our meetings that we had, Miss Donham and I had this week. So, mind play. Okay, they're really kind of hitting this hard. We have to, it is a huge requirement that your student works for 30 minutes for 4 days a week. Okay. There will be a Class Connect session Monday through Thursdays. We'll go over that here in just a second. So I think we had that at the beginning of the year. We took it away. Now we have to add it back in. Okay. Couple things are a little bit different with mind play. You have to make sure you finish the skill you're on in order for it to count as the 30 minutes. Um, we'll again go over most of this next week in our Class Connect session for mind play, but they're really honing in, and we actually now have to send weekly emails whether you hit that expectation, your student hit that expectation of 30 minutes a day for 4 days a week, or if they did not meet that expectation. So you're going to get another email from us on Friday. So every Friday we will email you either, yep, you made that, your student made that expectation, or no, your student did not meet that expectation. Again, there will be Class Connect sessions Monday through Thursday, so there shouldn't be a reason why they aren't making that or meeting that expectation, because Miss Donham and I will be helping them through that and working with them through that. But yeah, they're really honing in hard on this. So be ready on Monday for Mind Play. Speaking of next week, here is your schedule for next week. It's a little different than normal. So on Monday the 9th, we will have our homeroom as normal, 8:30 to 9. 9 to 9:30, we're just going to do a fun whole group snowman drawing. This would be a great time to jump in and do your mind play. Um, right away, 9:30 to 10. You see, we have the class on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week. Monday, we do not because we have some new students that are joining us this semester, and we need to get them the universal screener up and running for those kiddos. So you can choose to do mind play on Monday morning or Friday. If I were you, I would do Monday, but that's just me. You do you. But again, then on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we will have the mind play class to make sure your student gets in there and does mind play. Okay. I don't have it in here, but I know our lessons for this week are pretty low key, so that should be pretty easy to do. Then from 10 to 11:30 on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I have one-on-one reading that is with me. That is our FastBridge one-on-one reading that we did at the beginning of the year. I did send out a Sign Up Genius, but I will send that out again today with this video. That way, if you did not get a chance to sign up, please, please, please do so. Otherwise, I'm just going to have to fill you in or pick a spot for you, I guess. Now, again, on your Class Connect session for this reading time, you will see it's from 10 to 11:30. Okay, your student does not, I repeat, does not need to be there for the full hour and a half. It is just quick, easy. I think the slots are 10 minutes each. I don't even know if I'm going to have your kiddo for 10 minutes, but they just need to come on that time or come to the Class Connect session on the time that you signed up for. If you forgot what time you signed up for, let me know. I could definitely look that up for you. But I will send this link out with this video. So please click on this link and sign up if you have not. Okay, so please sign up if you have not. I believe my Tuesday time is completely full. Lots of time on um, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If the times don't work, shoot me an email. Definitely can get you in a time that will work for you. Um, and Miss Donham, she might have closed her sign up. I'm not 100% sure. Double check with her on that. Okay. So, but yes, I will, and I will probably close my sign up on Monday. So you have the weekend to get signed up for this time, either Tuesday. No, my Tuesday's full. So Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. The following week, January 16th through the 19th, no school. Well, actually, I guess it's the 20th, but I didn't put that on here. No school on Monday. Tuesday, we will do FastBridge math. And then Wednesday, we will do FastBridge reading. I already made the Class Connect session for your student, so double check what time they need to come. They will just come for that one. Very similar to as we did it at the beginning of the year, so you should be somewhat familiar with this. I left this 1 to 2:30 time for a CBM reading. That's the same as this right down here. But I left these time slots open for those who couldn't make it or something came up, didn't show, whatever. So we do have some makeup session times for this, but I would really, 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 really appreciate it if you could come on your time, or when I have you scheduled. But please let me know if you can't. Totally understand. Things happen. I get it. And then last, um, next week, this is just a quick reminder. I will go over this in homeroom again on Monday, but we are doing Spirit Week next week, starting January 9th. So have your student wear a jacket for January Jacket Day on Monday. Since we don't have Class Connect sessions on Friday, let's just bring this January Jersey Day or January jumpsuit day on Wednesday. So Monday jacket day, Tuesday jammy day, Wednesday will be jumpsuit or jersey day, and then Thursday will be jewelry day. Ooh, we're gonna be all fancy. All right. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Get rested up and get ready to work on Monday. See you soon. Bye bye.